Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 most trusted Bitcoin investment platforms. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Bitcoin investment is not an entirely new concept. However, it has become more popular in recent years as the popularity of cryptocurrency has increased and Bitcoin has seen more acceptance worldwide. Those who are interested in investing in Bitcoin are not often sure of where to start, as there are so many websites and exchanges that offer the option. There are, however, also numerous scams involved, and investors may not know how to tell a scam from a real deal. When looking to invest Bitcoin in an exchange, platform, or website, it is imperative to ensure that it is one that offers great options, advanced security, and has a good track record amidst the potential for cyber threats in a digital world. So, in this video, we are going to be taking a look at some of the top 5 most trusted Bitcoin investment platforms. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Binance. Binance is a trading exchange for cryptocurrencies, which was launched in Hong Kong in 2017. The company has achieved good success and is one of the highest trading volumes as stated by CoinMarketCap. If you are looking to buy or trade crypto, this is one of the cheapest platforms to do it on. Binance accepts users from all around the world and has received good reviews from the cryptocurrency community. Their trading application is simple to use, making it easy to invest in cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, and many other digital currencies. Crypto spot trading is available on Binance, as well as other trading products such as crypto futures trading and margin trading. With the Binance application, you can trade crypto futures with up to 125 times leverage. You get access to crypto margin trading. You can buy Bitcoin or Ethereum directly from the platform, and Binance makes it easy to withdraw and cash out with fiat portals, available in many countries. You can use Binance as your multi-blockchain wallet of choice when it comes to storing Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ripple, and many other different types of crypto tokens and stable coins. At number 4 on our list is Robinhood. Robinhood has become a dominating force in the field by offering commission-free trades, in addition to the ability to trade options, cryptocurrencies, and numerous other instruments. The platform provides traders and investors alike with numerous options right from the palm of their hand through an innovative, user-friendly mobile application. It is a tech-based startup that has placed a lot of focus on changing the investing game by offering clients the ability to trade both options and cryptocurrencies without having to pay commissions. This has been the #1 drawing force towards it. However, there are some drawbacks. The commission-free nature of cryptocurrency is limited, and all account types are subjected to tax. To gain access to low-priced margin trading, clients should apply for Robinhood Gold. Coming in at number 3 on our list, we have Kraken. Kraken is a US-based cryptocurrency exchange and has been consistently rated as one of the best cryptocurrency exchanges on the market. They have been involved in the blockchain revolution right from the beginning since 2011, and the company launched its advanced trading platform in 2013. They boast having one of the largest selection of cryptocurrency assets to buy, sell, and trade. Their value proposition of giving people from all walks of life the opportunity to invest in their financial independence is very compelling. Who doesn't want a way to quickly and securely invest in the cryptocurrency ecosystem and make some good profits? For experienced traders, Kraken offers spot and margin trading. In addition, for high-volume traders, which are over $100,000, they provide over-the-counter services with personalized account management. With their application, you get access to fast, real-time price updates, multiple charting and order book display options, colorized spark lines. You can open and close your positions in bulk with just one tap. You can use custom free payment options that allows you to pay in fiat or crypto for each order. You can visualize your past trades or current open orders directly from the chart, and much more with Kraken. At number 2 on our list is Coinbase. Coinbase boasts over 25 million users in 32 countries around the globe. The company was started in 2012 as a Bitcoin brokerage, making it one of the oldest cryptocurrency exchanges. With the Coinbase application, you can buy, store and sell cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, Litecoin, and many more. Coinbase is fully regulated and licensed. Whether you are just starting your crypto journey or you are a seasoned expert, you will find everything you need to build your crypto portfolio on Coinbase. Over 98% of cryptocurrency is stored securely offline, and the rest is protected by industry-leading online security. Your account is secure with multi-stage verification and bank-level security. You can also lock the application with a passcode, or remotely disable your phone's access to the app if it gets lost or stolen. For the experienced trader, Coinbase also offers Coinbase Pro, which is a cryptocurrency trading platform for trading several cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more. Fees are considerably lower than the brokerage services, and there are advanced trading options as well. With the Coinbase exchange, you get access to updates and features for beginners that help you build your knowledge and your portfolio, including automatic buys and price alerts. You get reoccurring buys, where you can invest in digital currency slowly over time by scheduling buys daily, weekly, or monthly. You can also use vault protection for added security, where you can store your funds in a vault with time-delayed withdrawals. The Coinbase application is available for Android or Apple iOS operating systems. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 most trusted Bitcoin investment platforms, we have eToro. eToro is an online broker which was founded in 2006 and offers CFDs and social trading, with a head office based in Cyprus and the UK. eToro is supervised by the Financial Conduct Authority and the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission. Traders can trade in a wide variety of over 100 instruments, including Forex, stocks, commodities, ETFs, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Where Bitcoin investing is concerned, eToro provides adequate solutions and services and makes it easy for investors to copy the trades of some of the best traders in the world to their portfolios. For those who wish to get involved in investing in Bitcoin, or those looking to learn new strategies from professional traders, eToro provides various ways in which investments can be made and diversified. The broker charges trading fees between 0.75% to 2.90%, depending on the bid-ask spread of each coin. The minimum investment amount is $50 US. Featured platform for accounts is available on the eToro trading platform and mobile application, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. eToro trading accounts are offered on Demo, Micro, Mini, Standard, STP, and Islamic accounts. eToro also provides their very own market news and analysis panels, guides in the financial markets, a trading academy which covers a variety of helpful educational trading topics, tutorial videos, a featured podcast, guides to social trading, as well as their very own trading school, which includes courses, webinars, and more for you to browse through if you are looking for any additional educational resources with eToro. And those are some of the top 5 most trusted Bitcoin investment platforms on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.